Welcome to CoCo Finance, where we're not just about numbers and charts. We're about changing lives, one financial tip at a time. Every Sunday, we're here, brewing a fresh pot of wisdom for you. Today, we're venturing into uncharted territories with a guide that might just be your financial compass if wealth comes knocking unexpectedly. Let's get started. Imagine waking up to a fortune. Whether it's a windfall inheritance or a stroke of luck in the lottery, the initial euphoria is often followed by a tidal wave of questions. How do you manage it? Where do you start? Fear not, for we're diving into the 15 must-know strategies to ensure your sudden wealth is a blessing, not a curse. Before you even think about making it rain, take a deep breath and embrace discretion. Sharing your newfound wealth might seem tempting, but privacy is your golden shield at this stage. Then it's time to eliminate any financial skeletons in your closet. This isn't merely a financial detox, it's laying the foundation for your future empire. Hold on to your day job like it's the last slice of pizza. It might seem counterintuitive, but staying employed keeps you anchored. It ensures that you're not just living off your wealth, but are actively contributing and growing, keeping both your bank account and your sense of purpose healthy. Once the debts are cleared and your bank account starts to resemble a phone number, pause. This is a crucial period for self-reflection and adjustment. Your wealth needs time to settle, and so do you. Use this time wisely to align your financial goals with your personal values. Your most valuable asset? It's not your bank account, it's your financial intelligence. Before you start moving mountains with your money, invest in your education. Understanding the mechanics of wealth will not only help you grow your fortune, but also protect it. When it comes to financial advisors, stick with the pros, especially if they come recommended by the person who left you the wealth. But as for friends and family looking for a piece of the pie, remember, your wealth is not a community chest. Be wise, be generous, but above all, be protective of your financial sanctuary. Upgrading your lifestyle is tempting, but true wealth is invisible. It's not in the flashy cars or the mansions. It's in the security and freedom your wealth affords you. Choose a lifestyle that enhances your life without jeopardizing your financial stability. Starting a business might seem like the next logical step, but proceed with caution. The business world is fraught with risk, and your new fortune is not an infinite resource. Focus on learning, growing, and seeking advice from those who've walked this path successfully before making any leaps. Remember, wealth changes more than just your financial status. It alters relationships, self-perception, and sometimes even values. Stay grounded, stay true, and keep those who've been with you from the start close. As we conclude today's journey, remember that managing sudden wealth is as much about managing yourself as it is about managing your money. Protect your assets, invest in your growth, cherish your health, and nurture your relationships. These are the true treasures that will enrich your life beyond measure. Thank you for joining us on CoCo Finance today. If you found our guide to navigating sudden wealth enlightening, make sure to subscribe for more life-altering financial wisdom. Until next Sunday, keep your ledger balanced, your investments smart, and your life enriched. Farewell, and here's to your continued financial success.